Hi, I'm Rob Zip, and I am in Oklahoma City at Factory Obscura to see Mixtape. This building used to be called The Womb, that the Flaming Lips owned, and they donated it for art. So we're gonna go inside and see what it's all about. My mom's with us, so come along with us for the most epic adventures! All right. Do some light jaywalking here. Hey, Mom. So it's kind of like seismic, kind of like some Meow Wolf stuff. There is one thing in here associated with Meow Wolf, but this is not a Meow Wolf production. I can let you know that. We've got a giant boombox out here. Can we hit play? What happens? We hit stop. Nothing. Rewind it. Oh. Change the tone. Let's change the tune. Oh no. Dude's lounging out. All right, we're gonna do the adventure game for ultimate exploration. So we got to check off these things as we find them throughout the boombox we saw outside. So that was an easy one. But we got to find a paper airplane, a bathrobe, ants having a picnic, mice on a red carpet, a corn dog, a compass, a pizza box, a seahorse, a guitar, a banana, cassette tapes, harmonicas, butterflies, and safety pins. And if we do this, we can get a prize at the end. And can you flip it? Flip the paper? And if necesito es en español. Put your glasses on over your glasses. Does it fit?
Barely.
Let's go through the giant ear. Ooh. Oh, this is actually. These glasses are really trippy. Like, you can like go in here. Some bird. Yeah, we don't want to exit yet. Excuse me. Hey, here's some ants. Ah! Ah!
Oh my God, guys.
It's emergency exit. Oh, it's a slide. Where do you get? Are these seahorses?
I believe so.
Those look like something else. Look at this guy. Oh, this is, so this is in conjunction with Meow Wolf in Santa Fe. So you're supposed to be able to talk to people in Santa Fe at Meow Wolf, but maybe it's not working today. Oh, why is it red? Can you hold this? Okay, well, it looks like the connection to Meow Wolf in Santa Fe is not working today, but normally you'd come in here, you can sit down, and you would talk to people at Meow Wolf. And this is the only thing that is associated with Meow Wolf, is this connection that doesn't seem to be working today.
It's not connected.
It's not connected.
It's like that.
those are without a doubt the 2 seahorses that we're looking for. We got a couple of more on the video screen. Think I could fit into the slide? Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments if you think I can fit down this slide here. Oh, how do you gotta crawl on like AstroTurf here? Oh, and I got the funky glasses looking. I think if you can't fit through here, you can't go down the slide. Lots of great places to take naps at here. It's definitely a nap heavy place. There's a cassette tape.
Oh, where's that at?
There's one.
Oh, when you get one.
I need 4 of those.
Okay, I'll just put a mark right here.
Cactus stumps. What's in those Ed things? Nothing. It's called art, Mom.
Huh?
It's called art. Oh, there's gotta be a lot of stuff over here. There are the 2 bananas we're looking for. We got them.
Oh, there's another harmonica.
There's a second harmonica. So there's 1 harmonica. There's 2 harmonicas. I knew this would have a bunch of stuff we were looking for here. Here's a closet. Could we find a bathrobe in the closet with all the clothes?
That looks like a bathrobe.
No, it's not. It's a coat. Bathrobes are long.
Well, not necessarily.
That's a dress. This is like Goodwill. Here's a nice dress, like somebody's, like a bridesmaid dress or something. Here it is. Bathrobe. Found it.
It's a man's bathrobe.
Hey, bathrobe's a bathrobe.
Yeah.
Hey, let's come out. Oh, watch your head right there, Mom. Ooh. Let's see if you can see. Some clothes down there. We're looking for some, there's a safety pin, right? Is that a safety pin? No. No. Yeah.
A pin,
no, it's just a pin. A not so safety pin. Oh. Whoa. Here's another small, I'm not walking up that. I don't think you're, yeah, I guess you can, but.
It looks like it would be dangerous.
But I do see one thing that we're looking for right behind you.
What?
Right behind you. Guitar.
Corn, is there a corn dog on there? All this food.
Another harmonica.
That one. Guess they're easy to acquire.
Alright, we're gonna go into this room here. Someone gave up on their glasses. We got some Wishnick trolls. Are trolls on the list? What's in the... Hey, there's a couple cassette tapes. There's 2 of them on here. Some mini thins, wow. This was a teenager from the 90s. Yeah, the Evil Dead VHS.
Safety pin.
There we go, safety pin. There's 1 safety pin. Let me look in here, was there any in here? No. Alright, it's our first safety
Here's
pin.
another one.
Oh, there's another one, so that's 2 safety pins. There's another cassette tape. Another cassette. That's all the cassettes we needed. There's actually 2 of them in here.
Is there any butterflies in here?
17 max.
Right?
Yeah, sure is. Troll doll butterfly. That Counts as a butterfly.
Let's see, does this open? Yep.
Too bad Trolls isn't on here.
Those are a bunch of trolls.
Here's
trolls. Another butterfly.
All right, in the box. Let's see what's inside the box.
See, there's the butterfly.
Oh yeah, right there. It's an infinite
it says
heart
do
box.
not open. I didn't see that.
All right, watch your head. Weird little dudes living in the wall. Oh, we found the second guitar in her book. So there you go. Second guitar.
I just started looking in the book. It's all ripped.
Pick up the phone. Is anybody there? Listen, is it? No, it's pretty good. Karaoke with a brush in the mirror. Oh, come on. There's no place to insert a coin. It's a big safety pin. Go with the big boot. No, there's like two more. There's like a couple more huge ones up here.
I mean, on our list.
I know, but I'm saying there's...
Yeah.
It's a big boot. So you can go up the stairs and go up there. There's a giant paper airplane.
Oh, it sure is.
With a D+ on the paper.
Oh.
All right, Mom. So we're still. So we've seen the whole museum, but we're still looking for a couple of things on our scavenger hunt. Hey, no one thinks to look under the bed. Pizza box.
Is there a corn dog in there?
There might be. There's nasty food. A couple VHS tapes. The Matrix, The Princess Bride. It's a creepy baby with some candles. A Care Bear. Some more Barbie back there.
Is there mice down
Oh yeah, they're having a party
on a red carpet.
on a red carpet.
Okay, sweetie.
There it is. It helps. It helps to have a little bit of light. So there's the corn dog.
So did we go?
So we did it, Mom. We found all the things.
Yeah, the,
So
the
that-
little girl had to help us.
We needed a little bit of help, but it was still fun. You know, this is a beautiful place with lots of really cool art, but it's also extra cool to see, to go on an adventure while you're just it's better than just looking at stuff when you're looking for stuff while you're looking at stuff.
Yeah.
Like, I really want a Butterfinger right now. Like right there. That's what the glass is over the lens. All right, exit to the lobby. The last cool piece of art.
I thought there was stuff on the other side. You know, when we walked in.
Here we go. We exit back to the gift shop. Please exit through the gift shop. All right, guys. I really had a great time here at Factory Obscura mixtape. You can go to the website factoryobscura.fun. This is a little bag. I got a sticker and a pen, as I always do. And you know, I'm always telling you to drink water, but I had to try this OKC Soda Company Blueberry Acai. It doesn't have caffeine or high fructose corn syrup, and I love blueberries, and So it just sounds delicious. It's not a flavor I've had before. So I'll drink this at my leisure. But thank you guys again for coming with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. My name is Rob Zip. Remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, and have the most big adventure.